Hey guys, so if you have Philips 5400 and looking for some good settings, this is something that I found on Reddit, and this is something I found. So right now you're at 5. So when you can look here on it, I'll just show it right here. That right now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right now you're at 5. Clockwise will get you to 1. I ended up 2, and I think that's where a lot of people end up. My shots didn't start turning amazing until 50 shots in. So this is also going to be important. The more shots you're going to do, then it's going to be different. So 4,300, I'm at 2. And then what other settings do you have? This can be also helpful. I prefer strongest coffee strength setting with middle water, but having on factory settings. When burning through my initial shots, I put in lowest coffee and lowest water. So you just want to follow the sides of the dots. Larger dots is coarse and smaller dots are finer. Now this is how it pretty much works. And I just want to make this quick video. I hope it was at least a little bit of helpful. So have a great day and goodbye.